Lexa Marie and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Lexa Marie with another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing this wig on my head. This is by Outre. You guys already know this wig is bomb. Like, I don't even have to really do a full review because y'all know. But because you guys technically don't know, I am going to be doing an install and full review on this unit so you guys can choose whether or not you want to buy it. But before I get into this video, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. If you do want to see more wig content like this, synthetic wigs, natural wigs, whatever wigs, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. But after that, we're gonna hop straight into the detailed installation and review, okay? Because shorty, come on now. Come on now. All right, so this is the Perfect Hairline fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. This is again in the style Laurel, the DRFF red velvet. I don't know what DRFF means. But on the back we have the faux scalp fully hand-tied picture right here. And then they just talk about the construction of the cap along with the side and the hairline. So I am going to customize this wig like I normally do with my other synthetic units. Like, not too much customization, but enough so you think it's a real bundles, okay? So let's see how it looks out of the pack. As some of you may know, I try not to do a lot of red units just because I'm always nervous of how my undertones will look next to it. But when I saw this unit, I fell in love. So this is how the hair comes right out of the pack. You see it's super red. It's almost like a cherry. And I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna look next to my skin, but I'm very excited. This is the card that comes with the unit. It just shows all the different colors that the wig comes in as well. I did want to try the Cajun Spice, but they didn't have it, and they didn't have the Gold Amber either, but I am going to try to do those units as well. So this is the front of the lace. As you can see, it is very transparent. I'm putting my finger right there, but since you can still see the knots and they're pretty black, what I'm going to do is use my foundation just to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. But you can see this lace, you know, they're doing their thing. Outre is doing their thing. So I am just going to put on my wig cap. And as you can see right here, the lace is a little bit more thick compared to the front of the hair, which I think is very unique. I have not seen this before, but you can see you get a little bit of lace on both sides. Another thing that I noticed with this unit is that there is a band. So it's very similar to these real hair units. So it's like, I guess, a glueless wig. You can install this wig without necessarily having to put glue. All right, so this is how the wig looks with no customization at all. I just want you guys to get a taste of how the front looks on this unit. This is no powder, no anything. This is just straight lace, which I am actually really liking. And look at that red color, okay? This color is fire. So now I'm just going to fully customize this unit. If you do want to watch that, make sure that you keep watching this part of the video. But if you just want to skip straight to the final results, you can do that as well with the timestamps in the description box below. But I'd recommend you keep watching. So as you can see here, I'm just putting on my powder. This is a Black Radiance powder that I use like always. So if you guys want to see what the powder is, I have it in a whole bunch of my other videos, but I'm just going in as much as I can on the top of my head with that powder just so it blends nice and seamlessly with my actual scalp. So this is how the wig looks on. No plucking, okay? This is absolutely no plucking. A lot of these synthetic wigs are coming very like plucked, and I'm actually very, very happy about that. So as you can see, I'm just gonna pull it back and make sure it goes ear to ear, and then use my Outre Fix-It spray and a little bit of the gel that I have as well. So please ignore how that looks. I know it looks so crusty because of the gel, but I'm just going to use a razor and try to cut it as close as I can to my actual scalp hairline. And I only like doing this because it gives it more of a natural look instead of me using scissors, but you know, it's up to you. But I'm just going in with my razor just all around the perimeter and taking that extra lace off. Oh, I know the lace looks bad right now, and I'm showing you guys on purpose because people try to make it sound like synthetic wigs are just like this simple thing to put on. Like, no, it's simple, but you still have to finesse it. So what you're gonna see me do throughout this video, just make sure I lay my baby hairs, and then I use my secret ingredient, which is that Black Radiance powder, guys. It is literally my secret ingredient. It looks so natural in person. I absolutely love it. So after I lay my baby hairs, I'm just gonna lightly go in with that powder. You'll see. Do you see how it's blending in? Do you see how it's blending in? Do you see how I gave it life? All right. This is literally with that palette that I use for my actual face and for my wigs. It is amazing. All right, so I turned off all of the lights that I did have on so you guys can see how it looks in natural cool light. So this is the unit. You guys, I did it again. I slayed again. I slayed it again. So again, this is the wig Laurel. I would say that this comes to right under my chest, so about 24 to 26 inches. This is gorgeous. Like, I didn't think this color would be slayable, but it's like, I slayed it again. I slayed it again. I did it again. Okay, but this is how the back of the hair looks. I do like the blend of the hair, if you know what I mean, like the way the color is. Like, it's not fully burgundy, but then it's not fully red. I would say in terms of the cons of this hair is that it does shed a little bit. I did not pluck it, so I'm not sure why it's shedding so much, but I did notice some shedding. In terms of the tangling, it's doing like normal tangling like any other synthetic wig would, but once I brush it, it's fine. So I'm not sure how it's going to be over the next couple of weeks, but definitely if you want to pop out, sis, if you want to look good, if you want to switch up your look, definitely get this color, okay? Like, I'm shook. I don't know if I prefer blonde or red on my skin, but let me see. I'm gonna turn on the light just to get a taste. This is just with a little bit of light. This is yellow tone light that I have on. I like it. I really like this unit. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Because you see that part right there is giving everything it's supposed to give. Overall, I would give this wig, with color, length, construction, I would have to give it a 9, almost 10 out of 10, just because I am so happy with Outre and how they're almost stepping it up like Sensational, right? Like, their wigs are right there with Sensational. This is gorgeous. So please let me know in the comment section down below if you do want to see more videos like this. I'm going to just show you guys how it looks from a different view. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. Okay, see that, guys? All right, honey. Now you see what I'm talking about with the color. It starts off with a dark red and then ends in a lighter red. Absolutely beautiful. So again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other wigs you would like to see me review. Bye. Don't know that I've been